When I get a text message from this contact, that's what it plays. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build that. To make your own custom text sound from a popular song, there's a specific process you have to go through. First, you need another device. It doesn't have to be a phone, it has to be a place where you can play the song, and we're going to record it on our main phone where we want the text tone to be. We're going to record it using the voice app. So just pull down from anywhere, start typing voice. It's called voice memos. Voice app is close enough. And we're going to press record here. We're going to play the song on the other device. So let's do that. It's recording. Now we can play the song. That's a little long for a text tone. So I'm going to trim this down. First, I'll rename it though. You can make ringtones in a similar manner, by the way. I'm going to call this Popsicle. And then we actually don't need the other device anymore. Once you have your audio recorded, you can put that away. And then we can edit the recording. And here in the editor, we want to tap on these three dots and we want to choose trim. And I just want to have the part where she says, "We'll melt your popsicle." So I'm just going to guess, I don't know, maybe somewhere around here. Let's play that. Oh, it's perfect. And it ends right there. It's very fine work right here to get that just right. I think this might be it. Yeah, trim that and then apply. And now, check mark. And save recording. You can also save it as new recording, but I just want to overwrite the whole thing. So now our tone is going to be just that little section. And that's going to play when someone texts me or when a specific person texts me. So to set this now as the text tone, tap on these three dots, tap on share, scroll down until you see use as ringtone. And I know what you're thinking. That's not a text tone, it's a ringtone. Okay, you're right, but that's okay. It should have taken me to the ringtone section and it adds Popsicle here. We don't want that as the ringtone, so I'm going to set this back to what it was, which is this song here. We want that as the text tone, which is right below ringtone. If it doesn't take you into this area automatically, you can get here on the main settings page, and then you go to sounds and haptics, and then text tone, and then scroll to the very bottom. You'll probably come to this page at the top, scroll to the very bottom, and you'll see Popsicle right here. I don't know why it stutters at the end. Probably some fine tuning of the audio required. So now that little sound bite is going to play when all text messages are received. But if you want that just for a specific person, set it back to your texting noise. I'm going to put it on that one. And then go into your contacts app or via the phone app, go to contacts, search for the person you want to add it to. I'm just going to use my own contact profile as a demo. Tap on edit. Scroll down to text tone and then put Popsicle in there. Tap the check mark again. And now that is going to be the message, or sorry, the song, the sound bite that is played when this person sends me a text message. And if you want to make your own custom ringtone sound effects using GarageBand and do that for free as well, you're going to want to check that out on this ringtone playlist on my channel. And if you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.